We'll be looking at one more function, and string function, and I think this one is very important. That is why I decided to treat it. It's called the string position. You can check that up in a php.net website, but I decided to treat it because it's a very important PHP function for strings. Now I'm quickly going to do a save as, and I'm changing the title to string function. I'll do a save as there, and I'll change this to, let's just call it str position. Sorry, I wrote functions and the title tag, so I'll quickly change this to string position. Now we are quickly going to see what string position does for us. Now it tells you the position of a particular character in a string or a particular word in a string. Okay, it tells you the position of that word in a string. Now let's get a string. Let's define a string. Let's say a string is equal to, let's say this is a string, and it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, and here we have our string. Now the string function has 3 arguments. Okay, now the first argument is the main string. Okay, the main string, that is the first argument. The second argument is the word you want to get the position. Okay, and then the third argument is the offset, okay, where it should start looking at. Now the first 2 arguments are required, while the third one is optional. Let's quickly look at that. Now the function is written like this: strpos string pos, like that. And let's get our brackets and let's write the first one. Before we do that, let's quickly give another string. Let's say the one we're looking for, let's give it find, and is we're looking for the word is, for instance. Okay, now the first argument here will be the string. Okay, now the second argument will be the word you're looking for. In our case, it's find. Okay, now let's echo that and see what we'll get. Now when you echo that, let's go to a browser. This is strposition.php. Now let's echo that and see. Let's refresh this, look for str position. So you see your value is 2. Okay, the string position is 2. Now that is 2 because if you start counting, you get from the beginning you have 0 1 0 1 2. Okay, that is where the I start of the A started from. Okay, now that is 2. I don't know if you get that, but if you don't, just follow along, you'll still understand what I'm trying to say. Now what if you want to get, because there are many A's here, this is 1, this is 2, and there's another one here and another one here. So now what if you want to get all the strings? Okay, if you wanted to tell you the position of each and every is in this particular string here, or in this particular variable. Now there's a way to do it. Okay, now we have to let me remove this line. Now what we're going to do is to get a loop that will tell us, or that will loop around the string and then get out all the is's in this string. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but that is the only way, and that's what I think is the best way to do it. You do a loop, or you write a loop that will check the string. Okay, now it will get all the values of is in the string. Now before we do that, let's assign a third variable, and let's call this length. Let's just call it length like this. And now the length will be the string length of the variable find. Okay, I'll tell you where we're going to use that, but for now let's leave it like that. Now in our next video, we're going to see how we'll loop around the string, and then we'll get all the value of is in that string and tell us or get PHP to tell us the position.